Good morning, traders. Welcome to MyFundedFutures and MyFundedTV. I am Terry Trades, and we have our amazing, energetic, kind, powerful expert trader, Tom Sabo. Hi, Tom.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Hello, good morning to you, Terry, and hello, everybody in the chat. Special hello, as always, to our awesome chat moderator and chat god, Abhishek, and of course, Magnus, his sidekick there in the chat. You guys keeping everything in line. We love you all. And of course, hello there to Nate and Trevor and Aaron, our boss. Hey, boss. Well, actually, he's the secondary or third boss. I don't know. But anyway, hello, everybody at MyFundedTV and MyFundedFutures. And of course, good morning to you, Terry. How is the morning so far?
It's going great. I've been scalping away. I'm at about $1,000 in my rapid end of day eval. Yes.
$1,000.
I know.
Okay.
I went over the consistency goal for me. I was like, dang it. Have you ever done that, Tom?
Well, I try to do that every now and then, but now that you mentioned that, you know, $1,000, it means like drinks on you and giveaways on you today, right?
Soon. Yes.
Soon.
Your morning is going well, though? It's going good?
Yeah. Morning was great. So I had 2 stop losses in the morning, and anyway, I'm going to talk about it more a little bit later. But overall, the price action is good. So I'm happy to see that the market is somewhat moving. So that's good. Overall, absolutely great, and I'm really excited to be here. So I love the vibes already. Yeah,
I know. I love the vibes too. It's just such a great way for us to start our mornings together. So today is Thursday. You are watching Terry, Tom, and we are going to welcome Pine and Husk to the show.
Oh yeah.
And then we also have SK at 10:30.
Yeah, lots of fun today again. A lot of fun, guys.
Yes. Let's welcome Pine and Husk.
Let's go. Hey.
Good morning, everyone.
What's up, guys? So, are you guys in the trade? What's happening? How much money? How much are you guys in the green?
I'm always a no trader before the market opens. I'm always
okay.
I can't believe
I was trading all night, so I'm up a whopping $66 across my accounts. So
That's really good. We love that. 66. You can buy a lot of things from $66, right? So, yeah. Give us some ideas in the chat, guys. Lots of things to be buying. You know, that's a lot of money, guys. Let's go.
Copy traded or one?
Yeah,
account?
it's copy traded. So actually, it's not bad. It's not too bad.
That's amazing.
That's
Yeah.
good.
The power of copy trading. Very nice.
Still look for
kinda
more
knows the
trades,
copy
though.
trade.
Yeah, but no full porting, guys. Don't do anything like that. No.
Don't have
No
to
full
be on.
party. But yeah,
was
as I
that
said, like, yeah, go on, Terry.
Oh, Husk, I'm sorry. I didn't make out what you
I said, yeah,
shared
no
with
reason to
us.
be in a hurry.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
The thing
Exactly.
that, Husk is really showing us some absolutely real discipline there, not jumping in like I do many times. I like to run forward on these market opens, and guys, sometimes I do burn myself. Yes, I admit, but look at Husk. He's disciplined. He's like absolutely ice cold there. No feelings at all. He's just staring at the chart.
Now, we don't want to give myself a 100% on that. I did have a tilt week last week or the week before where I let one count kind of get the best of me. So it happens. So and I was so sad too. I was like, man, why did I do that? I've had that one because I've had multiple fundeds where I've had them like since end of last year. And it was the one I've had since January. It was almost like I lost a friend. It was like, no.
Losing a funded account for Husk is losing a friend. Oh, that's so, yeah.
Yeah, I think what's crazy is like, I was working on my 3rd payout with that one too. So I was so disappointed. I don't know what it is. That's sometimes a struggle after you take payouts with accounts. You kind of lose a little bit of respect for them, but they're still there to work on. But sometimes I don't know what it is after you take that initial payout. That's usually when most people let their accounts go after that first payout.
Oh,
yes. Yeah. This happens.
So that's always the struggle.
That's always the struggle. Yeah.
It's the PPDS. the post-payout degenerate syndrome.
Oh yeah, that's official.
That's a good one. I don't think I've ever heard that one. I like that one.
Oh yeah. So yeah, but at least, today we have some movement, as I said. The early London session, and on my end, I'm on a 5-minute chart right here. And I must say that, the movement was good. Asia session was trending, well, quote unquote trending, but at least the range was like 200 points there in Asia session. And then, after 2 a.m., I started to trade 2 a.m. Eastern Standard. There was a nice push there in London. Again, another 200 plus points to the upside. I was really into, I wanted to go, first I wanted to go short. There's a really good level down at 29,263. Obviously, the market didn't go there. Long story short, we went up there, took out previous day high, which was technically Asia high. Now, I know many of you guys are using the 6 p.m. daily candle timer. I like to use the time in between New York midnight levels. So on my end, the true day, yesterday's high was 655. So we took that. And ever since then, we're just kind of slowly creeping lower. There is a zone on the 5-minute chart, the demand zone. Now the lower end of that zone is at 499.25. Now I think, because usually these zones like to get taken out by the market, at least, this is my specialty really. I do love to work with these supply and demand zones. And this is why I'm thinking that we should be, sooner or later, we should be going down, at least with the wick, just to go down below 500, just a little bit there. Maybe we will see a push higher because, we created these relative equal highs with the Asia high and today's London high. So up there around 655, relative equal highs. I just like to see the market sweep some more liquidity below 500. In terms of supply demand zones, there's nothing else I'm seeing. If we would stay below the London low, which is at 400-ish, actually 402. Anyway, if we would stay below there, then I would definitely be looking at the 263. So these are my main levels on NQ. And on gold, well, kind of the same situation. I actually lost the trade on gold in the London session, but anyway, we took out previous day low. And we're kind of back into the range, retesting that Asia low again. There's a really good order block, by the way. I haven't put it out here. That's on the 15-minute chart. Actually, I'm switching to the 15-minute here. It's not going to be super accurate, but there's a really good supply zone up there around 4670.4. So now that we swept everything down here on gold, I would be bullish. And you know what? If we trade above 4655, I would be targeting that 4670. So that would be a really good. Actually, I might even going to, I'm putting an alert. So I just put an alert to 4655. All right. So if we start to trade higher than that, I will be eyeballing for a possible long position there. And the thing about ES, as usual, nothing. It's not my specialty. Of course I look at it. We kind of did the same thing, went lower on London low, repriced the gap. We might going to sweep that level at 77.06, but there could be, it kind of looks like a bit of a bullish bull flag or something. If I zoom out on the 15-minute, there's some trend lines, some lower highs along the way. Switching back to the 5-minute here on ES. Yeah, so the thing is, we have some so-called trend line liquidity. I'm not using this. I'm just saying, we have these lower highs, so could be some stops above that level. So sweeping that 77.06 and then pushing back higher could be a scenario. But again, I will be focusing on NQ. I really want that 500 to be taken out, and then we'll see which level is going to get taken out first. But yeah, that's all I have so far. Thank you.
Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.
Yes, we had NVIDIA earnings yesterday after the bell, so I'm excited to see what the market will do at open.
Oh yeah.
Fine. What do you think? Anything?
I try not to think, but the interesting thing is YM is selling off all through London, and it has been pushing down all morning. So it is currently down 150 points. I will be looking for that YM trade this morning and trying to capitalize on that move. I don't even want to talk about that. There's a wide open gap way down there. I mean, it's still down there. So it'll be interesting. I mean, it's
You're
there.
waiting. You're waiting every
It's
day.
there.
You're like, when is it going to get filled?
Yes, it's like it's 200-point gap. Obviously, it was a very bullish reaction. In hindsight, it makes you just want to hop in on YM on a swing account or something. But and as far as NASDAQ, I'm just gonna look for little scalps probably. I know I don't really know the statistics on this, so I'm not going to say a jump to anything, but someone in my chat was saying that oftentimes NASDAQ likes to roll over after NVIDIA has positive earnings. The next day, it likes to roll back over, or the next 2 days. So it'll be interesting to see if NASDAQ wants to roll over. So that's all I got.
Interesting. Thank you, Pine.
Yeah, thanks.
Husk?
Well, guys, we are almost out of that bullish order block from last Wednesday. I don't know if we kind of showed the same thing yesterday where I said, please stay away from longs if you all possibly could. I don't even like longs unless we get back above 750, just because we've been stuck in the same range since last Wednesday is when this range started, where we got stuck. And this is on the hourly candle. I don't know if you guys see that or not. Let's see. No. For the bullish order block, you want to kind of get above 760. If we can print above 760, I think that's what's going to start us a nice little bull run back above 760. But if we cannot get out of this area, it's just going to be another choppy day. Have you guys noticed how the price action has been going up like 5 or 10 points, then coming back 20, going up? Yeah. 10, 20, 30 points, coming back 5 or 10, 20. Like even getting 5 points has been a struggle. And it just makes the price action so hard to trade. I know I struggled really bad with it last week whenever this whole of us getting stuck in this range recently. And so hopefully I'm just ready to get out of this range for the market to kind of feel a little bit more normal. It just has not felt normal for the last week. So if we can't get above 750, I'm going to look for shorts. So I'm going to be short bias until 750 gets broken.
Okay. I hear short. Pine, you're possibly looking for a short. Tom, you're maybe looking for a short potentially.
Well, or a coin toss, whatever. Just get in the trade.
Yeah.
Just get in there.
I'm definitely okay with longs, but it's almost like I would be sitting on my hands for 200 points. I mean, that's really the only downfall here. And I'm not sure. I haven't looked at the ES. Does anybody know if ES filled in the gap from last night? Because we opened up with a big gap. That was that big move down we had last night with the NQ where it sold off like 200 points and then popped back up. I'm not sure if ES filled that gap or not.
Oh, that's a good point. Yeah. Let's check here. It did. It did.
Okay, so it went back twice. It went back and got it then. So last night when the NQ filled the gap, the ES did not. And like I said, I have not looked at ES this morning to see if it went back down there.
Yeah, that was a really good trade too. I was trying to short that, and I ended up going to sleep. And then it looks like it went down probably like 2 a.m. Eastern time, so probably right around London.
Okay. Yeah, I would have been asleep either. I'm never at that time of the night trading.
Yeah, that was a good trade because the NASDAQ had filled the gap as soon as the right around the Tokyo Open. It came down and filled the gap. ES came down about half gapped it and bounced right back up, and NASDAQ bounced right back at the same time. And yeah, I was kind of thinking when I was trading last night, I'm like, man, this is gonna roll over. Like ES is gonna fill the rest of that gap. And I kept trying to short it, and I made a little bit of money, but didn't capitalize on it. I just can't go to sleep with a position on with futures. I just cannot do it. I don't know what it is.
I have a hard time too with a position on. Even if it's 1 micro, I have a hard time.
I
Yeah.
never even tried to do that, by the way. I think I would definitely not be able to sleep like that. No, I can't.
Yeah, that's
No
kind
way.
of where I think it would take practice to be a swing trader, where you put
Mm.
trades on and leave it for weeks at a time. I don't think I would ever sleep. I'd be waking up in the middle of the night going, looking at my phone like, oh, okay, we're still good. Like, it would just be nonstop. My mind couldn't rest if I was a swing trader. I think that takes some practice.
I think it's the leverage, because futures offer you so much leverage that it's usually I'm over leveraged, and that's why I can't sleep. I mean, when I used to swing trade stocks and stuff, I was fine. I would hold them for weeks sometimes, and it didn't really bother me. But yeah, futures is a whole different ball game. I want to be flat at the end of the day.
Yeah, with stocks, that's one of those deals to me. I mean, I've never had issues buying stocks, but I don't ever think about trading them. It's like buy them and just leave them there for years or months or whatever, and I think about it. Kind of what I do with crypto a little bit. Just buy crypto and just buy it every now and then if it goes down, to try to dollar cost average in on crypto. So, which the only crypto we're buying at the moment is XRP.
XRP. I heard about that. Yeah.
Yeah, I keep getting alerts on one of my apps. It's like, oh, it keeps going up, keeps going up. I'm like, what is going on over here?
The dollar was a good sell a couple weeks ago because it went up 50%. So, or actually, no more than that, 3/4. It went up 75 cents. So if you that's a pretty good markup if you're invested big, which I think I only have like 500 shares, so I only have like 500 coins.
Mm.
I did make a big crypto mistake couple years ago when they got released out of that lawsuit, and it went up to like $4, and I had bought like, I want to say 1,000 shares for 50 cents. I ended up selling before the big run, and I was like, oh,
Oh,
By
that
the
would have
way,
been like $3,000 or $4,000 extra dollars.
just a quick story on my end. The biggest gain I made on crypto was that was like sometime back in 2021, I think, somewhere around there. Actually, I was out from crypto by then, but a friend of mine actually talked me into it to buy Pirate Chain. Pirate Chain, I bought it for, I think, 50 cents. On the top, it went up to $16, from 50 cents to $16. But anyway, I got out on $4. But that was the biggest rally I took advantage of. I didn't make huge money on it, but I think I made like a couple of $1,000s on that run. Yeah,
So
I mean, yeah.
incredible.
I was gonna say, so did that little bit of money right there kind of start your
Yeah,
journey
that was
into-
really good because I mean, I invested a couple of $100s, and I was really scared a little bit because I was definitely low on money. I'm like, do I really want to do it? And my friend kept calling me like, dude, you gotta do it, you gotta do it. Anyway, long story short, I did it, and I didn't sleep for days, and in 2 or 3 weeks, it actually skyrocketed. I'm like, oh my gosh, I think I actually didn't even wait for $4, $3.50 something cents. I sold everything. And then I saw it going higher to $16. And there was a rug pull at $16, and everybody got deleted. It went down to 0. So anyway, I cut the run here. Yeah, it was good. Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's kind of how
Speaking of going,
oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Overruled. It goes for Terry.
yes, yes. I was just going to bring up NVIDIA's earnings because I know that was such a big wait. Everyone was waiting all week for NVIDIA earnings to see what it would bring. So NVIDIA earnings takeaway, Wang forecasts 70% fiscal 2028 revenue growth, far above estimates. Can anyone see the price of NVIDIA right now? Did it shoot up or is it down right now? I know initially that reaction was down and then it did pump up, but I'm wondering, NVIDIA, yeah.
Yes.
I think it's going to be really big today.
Yeah, so the thing is, I don't even know how we're looking here. So here's NVIDIA chart. I need to clean up everything. Okay, so that was Wednesday. Why? I don't have access or I don't have data here. I don't have data for today. Why is it not? I do have a subscription for the. I don't. Oh, sorry. I know because extend. No.
Oh wow. Okay. It's
okay.
up
Okay. Here it is.
Over
Here it is.
6%. It's over 6% right now.
Yeah, look at that. That was today after 4 a.m. Went up there, kind of back into a range, but there's still a gap at $220. So NVIDIA might try to pull it down. We have relative equal lows also here on NVIDIA, and we have that gap. So we might see the price slowly dropping lower. That might be pulling down NQ a little bit there at the open. Who knows?
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Terry,
Such big
do we
news.
have any red folder news we got to worry about this morning?
Yeah, no red folder news, but some news did come out. Great question. So at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, we had unemployment claims. It came in a little tiny bit lower than expected, about what was expected, 203K. The forecast was 208K. Goods trade balance came in negative 118.8 billion. The forecast was negative 100.8 billion. Prelim wholesale inventories month over month came in at 1.3% higher than predicted. The forecast was 0.2%. And then that is it for scheduled news. Nothing else.
Good deal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, Terry, do you want to talk about you being the queen, or?
Yes. So,
Right.
So if they want to share my screen, I
reminding me.
actually have you in uniform or costume. If you want to share my screen real quick.
I won the bet. I won
Queen-
the bet yesterday.
Queen Terry, yes, won the bet.
Hey, yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
Let's go.
So let's go. So yesterday during the stream, we made a bet. Would NQ finish green or red? And Pine, Myth, and Tom, all three said red, and I said green. And I eked one in. It just finished a little bit green.
I was like, I was watching television. Then comes the push message from Discord, like Queen Terry. I'm like, what is going on? Let me look at the chart. Like,
I had to tell them all right away. I was like, wait, Queen Terry today. Speaking of Queen, let me show you our current promos. They are the absolute best. So we have 50% off all plans. Everyone gets 4 uses of this. Make sure you snatch it up using code YouTube. Every time you use code YouTube, you will always get the best discount and you will be supporting the channel. So thank you so much, you guys. So 50% off all plans, all sizes, 4 uses, and the biggest change ever with MyFundedFutures, no subscriptions, you guys. So we just pay one time. We just pay one time, and that is it. We can take our time. No worries about getting rebilled ever. You do just have to keep your account active. So make sure you put on a trade every 7 days, and you are good. I think this helps a lot with just slowing things down, taking your time, and not feeling like, I want to save money. Let me YOLO the account.
it definitely takes off a lot of pressure, guys. Trust me on this. This is like, I'm already seeing it. I'm already feeling it. I got a new Rapid too. It's just so amazing. Not to, it's easier for you guys as well to budget yourself to the month or for the upcoming month, months, multiple months, because really it's a marathon. I always say that. I keep repeating that. And now you really just have to focus on those trades and risk management. That is it.
Yes, it's so weird how it's the opposite. When you take your time, you actually end up making more money. I feel like it gets into my head if I try and rush and I try and get there too quickly, and the likelihood of me blowing the accounts is extremely high, versus if I just take my time, it seems like it's opposite, because then I can keep the accounts longer, and then you actually spend less money on those eval costs, and then you can get those payouts. So yeah, it's great. One of the many reasons why we love MyFundedFutures so much.
Oh yeah. And definitely, by the way, the one-time payment also can help. Oh, I did hear something. I hear something. Okay, there's the sound, guys. You heard it too. All right.
I heard it.
Go to the
Everyone,
chat.
drop what you're doing. Tom says, stop doing the dishes.
Yeah. Drop the dishes, stop everything. Leave the kid in the room. Anyway, doesn't matter. Obviously, watch for the kids, but leave everything as it is. Okay. If you're cooking something, doesn't matter. If you're sitting on the toilet, stay there. Definitely watch the chat. Okay.
Yes. I see MyFundedFutures is dropping the keyword. You do have to look and see in our chat to see the keyword. There is a forum that is dropped. It's dropped. Yes. Oh, today we're doing the bird race. Make sure you get your name on that forum for a chance to win a free account from MyFundedFutures. This is how you will enter the race in order to win your prize. And you do have to be present in order to win. So make sure you stick around. And when you see your name finishing in the top 15 in the race, make sure you tag at MyFundedFutures prop firm in order to claim your prize. Good luck, everyone.
Good luck, everybody.
Something with that node reveal that you were talking about, Terry, something that I've struggled with is trading with larger accounts. So I'm actually trading a 150K. It's only like the second time I've ever traded with the large account because the pressure of trying to make that much money in a month is like, I don't know. I think it overwhelms me. That's why I'm always like a big fan of the 25Ks or even the 50Ks.
Yeah.
And so it gives you an opportunity to try those larger accounts without, like right now, I know I have 9,000 on a 150 and I'm like, that's too much to make.
I think this is a really interesting angle there because myself also was kind of like, because let's just face it, it's mathematically a little bit bigger distance to go through that granddaddy 150K account. So obviously you have to work a little bit more. But now that you have all the time in the world, I think it's the absolute time to go with the big granddaddy accounts because you can have all the time, just focus on the trades, and you have a bigger room to trade with, and obviously bigger potential profits there. So I think now is a really good time to maybe switch to the big accounts. That's really
I like it.
I want to try it out just because of the big swings that the NQ has been giving us lately. Where like maybe because usually I'm trying to stay within $200 or $300 of drawdown, where now maybe I can push it up to like 400 or 500 or 600 and still just kind of stay with the same between 3 to up to 10 micros on a good day. Mm-hmm. But on that iffy price action where it's swinging really good, still stay around that 5 micros for myself.
You're giving us ideas, Husk. I love it. Now I want a 150 size. I want a 150 Pro.
Me too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a really good point there. Just because when you're a newer trader, there's no better way than to just practice on a evaluation. So
yes.
That's
market is going to open in 2 minutes, you guys. How are we doing on the likes?
Oh, let me check the likes, everybody. All right, just a quick refresh here. Oh my gosh, 302 likes, everybody. That's amazing.
I know today.
Wow.
You guys all been wearing your sunglasses. I made sure I had sunglasses today to wear for the dance party.
That is. There you go. This is amazing, everybody. Thank you so much. Make sure we need to hit 400 today. We need to hit that. Yeah.
Absolutely.
That is so cool. That is amazing, guys. Thank you so much for supporting us. And yeah, almost at market open, 20 seconds to go. So, what can I say? I wish good luck to everybody.
Good luck.
It will be an amazing day and still an amazing week. So, yeah, let's see what's going to happen here. 9 seconds. 5. It's happening.
It's happening.
All right.
Okay, market is open.
Oh, wow. Okay, we spiked down, but didn't particularly took out that 500 that I was kind of hoping for, which is not a problem. So it could be a fake start here. All right, no problem. I'm not in a trade yet, but I'm just gonna. What's happening, Terry?
I'm just looking at this opening candle. The bulls are really pushing.
Oh yeah, they are definitely. I'm actually. Okay, I'm ready to roll here, but we have that 599 up there that it's still a really good level. And what if this was a fake out here and now it just wants to keep on pushing higher? Oh my God. What is going on?
I just got a quick scalp. Quick scalp.
Let's go, Terry.
Hey!
Nice.
Thank you.
I was just resetting my my browser because I don't know. I don't know if you guys ever had that where the time and the it was everything was delayed. You guys are like, oh, the market's open, and then I look up and it's like, oh, it was showing that it still had 10 seconds left to go.
How do you reset it?
I had to go to the date and time sync
Oh,
in the PC and then refresh everything.
okay. Good to know.
Got into a scalp here. I got destroyed. Negative $500, 10 micro there. That was hurtful. That was hurtful.
Ouch.
I oversized my position. I left it on 5 micro on Ninja Trader, and I fat fingered it, pushed the button twice. I don't know what I did there.
Pretty good. I like that one.
Yeah.
I hate those fat finger mistakes.
Oh my gosh, terrible mistake. And now
Ooh.
we're down to 500. Okay, fine. That's cool.
Okay.
Wow.
The bears are coming in. Look at this.
I oversized it, guys. I oversized it pretty hard. Oh my gosh, what a start. Okay, Asia low 432. Oh no, we took out that one. Okay, never mind.
I took a quick short there, but I was on the wrong chart. So I'm kind of leaning towards that Nvidia gap fill, the
Okay.
open gap fill, and I think I'm just kind of thinking that Nasdaq might roll over, but
Yeah.
not financial advice or anything, but
It is coming down a little bit. I think we opened around 6.6%. It's down. Oh, it went down and now it's back up to about 6.6%. Nvidia. Yes, I will be watching Nvidia too.
Yeah. I mean, I
But-
just love trading when there's open gaps, like when they're wide open on the chart. It's just I'm like addicted to trading those. But it's okay to be late for them too. I've always talked about, like, sometimes if the gap is wide enough, then if you wait for it to get down into that price, that open gap, and then you can get a scalp inside it to look for the fill, whether it's the half gap or the full fill. But yeah.
Nvidia is up. It's up 7% now. It keeps going higher, but the market is selling off a little bit. I see ES is red by about 10 points. YM is barely red by about 70 points.
I'm still going to be looking at that 600 level up there. Early New York session, I tried to reprice that level. On the downside, I think everything is kind of, got taken or retaken, I should say. So yeah, I like to see this one go back up there sooner or later. So I'm just gonna wait. If this one would create this inversion gap here, which is kind of doing it right now, then maybe I will use it for long. But it seems like we're just kind of dropping lower. Yeah,
Wow.
Anyway, Asia low is not here. Yeah,
Oh, we are dropping lower.
we are. Yeah, we do.
Are we going
have
to take out
a-
Asia low?
Well, it got taken out already. We have a London low down there
London
at
low.
400. Yeah, we have a London low at 400, and it does seem like that there's a swing low at 431 that it
I'm
wants
short.
to go there. You're short?
Yeah, I
Alright.
got short right below 500. I didn't want to overtalk you, but I remember I said 437 is probably a good safe target. That's the previous day high.
I'm already out.
Oh,
20 point or 15 points.
it's like I don't know if I want to target the 4-hour low at 402 or do we go with the safe target at 437?
Yeah. I like that previous high level.
Yes,
Okay.
it's just that's showing my chart. Yeah, just 2 quick scalps there off the open. And
I'm
just
short
having
as well.
kind of having that bearish bias.
Short 461, targeting 432, 10 micro, super heavy, guys. Super heavy.
I like it.
Go, Really heavy.
Tom!
Really,
it.
really heavy. I'm just.
Pine, you booked profits already? I
Yeah,
Oh
I'm
my
out.
God.
I'm
Open
flat. Yep.
W's!
Let's go.
Let's go.
So now
And then
instead of
Husk-
$66 per account, I'm up $155 per account, which is a nice little payout. So
Nice.
Oh, that's good.
And this,
Are you still short or did you book it?
no, I was waiting to see if 75. I was really holding for the 30 something. A lot of times we like to push hold numbers. So if we hit 50, look for a pullback to 75 most of the time.
Okay.
Then once it
Nvidia's-
goes back down. You want to see it start going back down here. Really don't want it back above 80.
Wow. I'm
Nvidia
so excited
is
for
coming off the
NASDAQ.
highs.
Nvidia's coming off. All right. Yeah, if we stay above 80 for too long, I need to kill this trade again. Otherwise, I would be glad if I could exit around 432. So that would be good. My finger is on the close button, by the way. I know everybody's like, what the hell am I doing? My finger is on the close button or the flat button here. This is an evaluation account, by the way. The previous trade was also on an eval, but this was a bad start. So it is what it is. And yeah, let's see. Final level here. If it trades above, then I have to kill this. And yeah,
I got my runner.
River
88.
Come on,
Here we
432.
go.
Come on. I need that 432 on this eval. If I can get it, I might be able to get not just out of the drawdown, but into the green. So I'm down $500 on this eval. If I can get to 432, maybe I can get to the green, I think.
I like it. I think you're good.
Go,
Get
go,
down.
go.
Get down there.
Get down there. Come on, NQ. Exactly. Exactly. Anyway.
Still so much time left on this 5-minute candle, man. There's still 2 minutes left. Oof.
All right.
And this may be our second candle consolidation where you want to see this third candle be the breakout candle. So if we can survive this candle, if it's going to stay in consolidation mode, you may get the breakout on this third candle.
I don't like it. The more time we spend here.
I really
Yeah.
want to be in 010 a mini. I mean, that's kind of,
Yeah, that's a mini there.
yeah, that's
Basically.
a little harsh.
that's a mini right there.
The math
I
be
mean-
mathin'.
30, 40 points, you know, that's like, that's
Yeah.
a quick $1,000 quick.
Yeah, easy, right? Easy.
Yeah. You definitely
Okay.
got to have one of those 6-figure accounts if you're slinging
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, exactly. You need the big daddy accounts. All right, it's still not dropping. What's the time? Yeah, it might gonna stay like this until like 10 minutes to 10. So like in 9:50 could be the way like this. Not bouncing yet, but I don't like it.
Have a nice little bear flag forming on NQ. So I would like, if it drops below 40, I think we get a nice little move there.
Well, if it would go down there, I mean, yeah, below 40, that would be good for a drop. Especially to see what's happening down. I think London low is down at 4, I don't know where. Maybe it's down at, 401.
Yep.
So we'll see.
Yeah, that's that 4-hour low too. So
YM
Nice
pushing
target.
higher, which is that they've been doing the opposite every single day. So YM's actually green now, and then where Nasdaq's trying to push down.
All right. If it's not going anywhere in the next minute or two, I'm just going to kill it anyways. It's just not, it's too heavy, guys. It's too heavy. Yeah, I'm killing it. All right, I'm killing the trade. It is what it is. I can't hold it more. Down $1,000 on this eval. So it is what it is.
It's okay.
I can't hold it. I can't. All right.
No
Look for the
problem.
next best opportunity.
It looks like a good
Rotate.
close.
Next.
It looks
Yeah.
like a good exit there. So
Seems like we're inverting that gap there on the 934 candle. Actually, no. We're just inverting the first presentation gap, which is on the 1 minute here.
Who's pushing?
we may
Yeah.
just get a 50% pullback into this original opening 15-minute candle just to sell back down.
All right, I'm switching to another account and I'm going to restart fresh with a small position there if we can invert that first presentation gap. So this is not the same account I just switched. So if I get a nice entry here on this inversion, I might just going to take it. Who knows? Anyway, the 599 is really good still, and we'll see.
Yeah, I totally missed. We've talked about how missing trades sometimes can kind of trigger you, and I was so excited for NASDAQ on that push down. I was scalping on the way down, just looking for those little scalps, and I totally missed my little ORB trade on YM. I just totally spaced it. It's just I didn't even think of it, and of course it worked, but it's always in hindsight, right? And then but it's like one of those deals where it's like, oh man, the feeling I have now is like, well, I should be up like $200 something on these accounts because I should have took the trade, right? And that's just like the stuff that goes in my head, and it's one of those things I battle every single day. It's just that psychological part where it's like, man, shoulda, woulda, coulda, but
shoulda, woulda.
If coach would have put me in the fourth quarter.
Yeah, I mean, could have easily lost, and then I'd be right on the account. But but it's like, yeah. When you guys started talking about that Nvidia gap down there, I was like, ooh, I want to short NASDAQ. Yeah,
I think that awareness is huge as we continue our trading journeys, to have the awareness of our feelings, what we're experiencing, thoughts, because the more in tune we can get to that, then we can really like nip it in the bud, the things that lead to tilt. Because like the things that you're talking about, Pine, I know I've experienced that, where it's like if I miss a trade and then I try and get in, but like trading is all about timing, correct? Like day trading is all about timing. It's not just a strategy. It's also, you have to pair it with the timing. And how many times have we missed something? And then it's like, oh, I missed it. And then you try and make something happen, even though you've already missed it. And then that can just cascade into disaster. So I think it's like huge, right? That you're recognizing that and you're sharing it with us too. Thank you.
Yeah, so
it's really helpful.
We have SK on later after us, and he talks about how the same thing and he's been trading for 40 years plus, and he talks about the same thing. It's like one of the things he hates the most is when he misses the trade, like because it's one of the things that can kind of trigger him as well. And same with myself.
Yeah, me too, for sure.
Well, so far we're back into the opening point here, so this is really interesting. I'm kind of curious if we took everything we can down here. I did jump into a long at 504 on a different account with 2 micros only. So 598.25 is going to be the TP here. By the way, at least I could show you guys, like, this is what I do even when I do something. Whoa.
Oh,
okay.
There you go.
Let's go. Go, Tom.
All right.
Go, Tom. It's a
All
birthday.
right, let's go. Tom. Now, don't tell this to anyone. This is a funded account, by the way. So, yeah.
Nice trade.
Anyway.
Beautiful. Go.
And this is a rapid account. Anyway, let's move on. So, the thing is that 599 up there is, as I said, it tried to go there early New York session at the open. Maybe now it wants to tag it. I think what I want to do here is I'm going to book one bit of a profit there. So taking off 1 micro just to make sure, because profit is profit. And so I took off 1 micro, and now I'm putting it to break even. So at least a bit of a profit there. All right.
Ooh, this is a perfect setup for the Terry back it up trade. With the 5-minute orb, there it went. When it breaks the opposite side, so it breaks one side and then it'll go and break the other side. Like I love that trade for a quick scalp.
When it reverse, Terry.
Yeah,
let's go.
W's for Tom. Woo!
Finally, something good.
Yes. Yeah.
So nice trade, Tom. Trader Tom Hugard talks a lot about this type of trade that you just did, where it's like you identify that you're wrong about the first trade. So you're like, I'm wrong. I need to get it out. And then you flip the switch, you flip the bias, and had a nice win. So I think that comes with experience, and watching a lot of chart time.
I need to say something about that. I mean, yeah, that's a really good point there, Pine. And just because I saw that, did I revenge trade was the question in the poll. And I think it's really important to talk about this a little bit, not just because of me, but like what define revenge trading, right? So I wouldn't say that I revenge traded there, because I did something stupid on the first trade. I acknowledged the error, and I know it was my mistake. But on this trade, I refused that I was revenge trading, because I already had my plan to sweep the lows, wait for an inversion of the first presentation gap, which happened. The candle went down there, and I was already eyeballing with the 599. So I was kind of talking about this before the market opened, like this would be something I would be looking for. So what I did here on this trade, I followed my plan to the tick, by the way. So if you guys think I revenge traded with 2 micro on this particular trade, I would like to kindly refuse that, because I didn't. This was absolutely part of the plan. So this was a good trade. The previous scalping, what I did there, that was my mistake. That was definitely a stupid decision. But this one here, I would say I executed everything according to the plan. But look at this, what's going on here anyway.
Wow, you gotta be so fast.
I'm on your side, Tom. I actually do that a lot, where I flip the switch, and at the end of the day, what are we trying to do? Are we trying to be right? What's happening? Or are we trying to make money? And like, to me, it's like, we're trying to make money. Like, it doesn't really matter how you do it. It's like, just make the money. So yeah, I'm on your side on that.
Cool. Thank you, Pine. I feel much better now.
Look at this candle, you guys.
Yeah, that was a big engulfing candle there on the 2 minute. Big outside bar.
Outside bar.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Oh, and yeah, the other thing too is that what you were just touching upon, I like what you said there, that it was still with your strategy. So oftentimes, what I've done with my own strategy is with the combo type of trades where I have an inside candle and then an outside candle, is so many times I used to just trade the 5 minute inside candles. And then as my trading developed, I would looking for these types of combo trades. And so what would happen would be like on, say, like this inside candle right here, I would go short, and you see it just swept the low and then immediately reversed and would have trapped me here, and then puts in this engulfing outside candle. And so what I would do is I would flip the switch, just like you did. And so what I did in my own strategy is I just stopped trading these inside candles, and I just look for these 5 minute combo trades, and then it just eliminates the trap. And so I would do the same thing, where I would get short here, I'd get stopped out, I end up flipping the switch because we're putting in an outside engulfing candle, and then I ended up going long and usually making back what I lost on that first trade. So I just tried to eliminate that for my own trading, and then try those trades. But I used to, I call it flipping the switch,
Oh yeah.
So
now look at that. Are we going down to
look at this
431?
candle?
Yeah, I kind of like this.
Any trades, you guys? Are you guys jumping in or something?
I'm flat.
I got an itchy short button trigger here.
Me, if I short it, it's always below a hold number. So I like to play off hold numbers, where I always feel like if we break 500, we're going to at least 75.
What is wrong with my chart here? I'm trying to short here, but what is wrong with my settings? Something's all messed up here.
We can go to, okay.
Wow, that was quite the bounce there off the 70s.
Oh, yeah.
I'm willing to risk it here. I'm just gonna see if we take out the low. Come on,
60
NASDAQ,
points
roll
bounce
over.
here. Wow, 60, now 70 points bounce. Guys, this is a crazy market open. Wow.
Wow, we are still barcoding. We're still within that 5 minute orb.
This is kind of what I touched on earlier about the markets. Just like you go down a little bit, but then just the rejections are just massive. And if you don't have like if you're not in small, it will wreck your account real quick. Kind of like where Tom was saying, where you took
I'm in 3 micros.
It was
and
just brutal.
I'm down $400 on this trade. This is
wow.
this is an eval though. This isn't a copy traded one. But yeah, a quick one.
Is anybody looking at NQ can see if there's a wick there at 75 on this 5-minute candle that we're currently in? Because man, I didn't know if it would come back down and clear up that wick or the.
So basically, I'm gonna risk. I'm up on this account quite a bit. If we get a back above 609, I know it's a wide ass stop. But I'm all about the wide ass stops, and
he had to finish his sentence.
That's the management too. I mean, that's a way to
so I'm basically trying to take this break off this 2-minute candle. I didn't realize how wide this was, but
it is. I mean,
you guys notice the pause for comedic effect. I mean, let's go.
Rhymes are so hard for me to take.
I'm flat. I'm going to stay flat for the rest of the day because I hit my profit target.
Let's go.
Nice.
Yes.
that's how it's done.
I'm gonna look for the low to get taken out. I mean, 402s, but we'll see. 612.25 is my stop. $780. That'll put me in the red on this account, probably by $400, which not too bad, but whatever.
That's
We'll
not
see.
bad. That's absolutely manageable.
So we'll see.
I mean, my magic number about how to manage, and I think we might gonna talk about this on the roundtable really soon.
Yes.
Is, you know, like how much is that drawdown that I still want to manage, you know, and how much is the threshold that I just give up on the account, or I still want to save it. Now, obviously, I'm not gonna go ahead and talk about it. But just a bit of a teaser for you guys. We are going to talk a little bit about these things on the roundtable as well, right? Of course.
Yes. I'm so excited for the roundtable. Is anyone in a trade right now?
Not
everyone
myself.
flat?
No.
Yeah, I'm short. But that's
Short,
okay.
short.
Oh, yes,
Okay.
you
Brackets
short.
are in, and I'm in a losing trade. So let's hide my screen real quick.
Yeah, let's and you know, get the other platform that is in profit. All right.
That's right.
You know, definitely.
Let's do the roundtable. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Look at these topics. And just the first one, right? Look at that. Just like we wanted to talk about this. So anyway, let's start this with the first one, which says save the account or move on. So this is what we talked about. When a funded account, you know, gets dangerously close to its drawdown limit, should you trade extremely small to rebuild it, or accept that the account may no longer be, you know, able to be saved, or, you know, may no longer be able to be worth protecting at all? Anyway, sorry. Let's get this started. Terry.
Honestly, I will give you the honest scoop. When I have very, very little drawdown left, I just full send it. Like,
Honesty, guys. This is what it's about.
let me just put on max contract and maybe it will work. You never know. You never know. I did have an account that actually, it only had like $100 or something of drawdown, and it just magically went. I literally caught the low of that night in gold, and it just went, and many days later it kept going and going, and it's actually the account that helped me get into live with MyFundedFutures last year. So you never know. You never know.
All right, so Terry says doesn't matter, just full port it and move on. Right, Pine.
Yeah, I'm kind of with Terry there. I just don't have the patience. If I'm always like, oh man, especially if I'm not like hadn't been over the buffer at any point on the account. I'm like, oh, I usually say I didn't like this account number. I'm just gonna try to get another one.
It's not a lucky number.
But yeah, so that's me.
All right, Pine is on the same page. Husk.
I pretty much will do the same thing where like it even messes with my trading mentality, even taking like just 2 or 3 losses starting out the gate with the funded accounts. I almost need that confidence of a little bit of green when starting out. But man, when it gets low, especially if you got multiple funded accounts, it's like, do you really just want to mess up your trading mind to just try to just trade that one micro because you only got $100 left on your account? So I'm probably as bad as everybody else. Like, okay, that's messing with my trading psychology. Let's just burn and turn and move on to our other funded account.
Let's go. Everybody wants to burn their accounts, including me as well, by the way. Anyway, so yeah, awesome. Let's move on to the next one, which says, can funded fear hurt trading? Now, what is funded fear? Can the fear of losing a funded account becomes so strong that it actually stops the trader from taking valid setups? Now, this is really interesting. Husk, take it away.
I would say 100%. I still have that every now and then, but man, for the first 2 or 3 years, it was strong. Like it was like trying to quit some kind of like habit if you were addicted to something. Like it was that hard to get over that hump of the fear of trading funded accounts. I guess after you blow so many, that fear just sinks in really heavy. So definitely the fear is there in the early days of trading.
Oh yeah, fear is there. Pine?
Real quick, yeah, that my this trade is actually going green on me, so the market is selling off. But real quick, yeah, so this is one of the things that I talk about, is one of the things that help you get over that fear, and it will affect your trading 100%, is just knowing that, hey, it's not what you're seeing on the screen, it's not this monopoly money. I'm taking this trade off here. Ooh, boy.
Ooh. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
nice $300. Anyways,
let's go. Pine did it.
Yes, sorry. So anyways, it will hurt you. Go ahead, Terry. I'm very distracted here.
It's all right, Pine.
Oh yeah. So anyways,
okay.
what I was saying is that you're only risking what you pay for the account, and that will help you get over the fear of the funded. That's what I wanted to say. Sorry.
That's it. That's no problem. It's okay.
Thank
Terry?
you.
Yes, I think I remember when I first started getting funded accounts, there was definitely a fear of trading those accounts, and I just think it takes a while, and then now I don't. There's not really a fear with trading, excuse me, with trading of funded accounts compared to the evals at all. I think as I get closer to a payout, though, I will feel some anxiety, like, oh, like I only have one more day for that payout, or another $100 to get to that payout, or whatnot. But yeah, it is a little bit different.
It is different. Absolutely. Thank you, Terry. And yeah, I was actually rooting for Pine in the back end because I knew that he is absolutely was locked in on the chart. So good job on that trade there. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Next topic. Reduce risk after losses. That's the question. So should a trader reduce risk after losing streak, or keep risk unchanged if the strategy is still being executed correctly? Now, this is really interesting. What do you think, Terry?
Oh, I think it's the smart thing to do to reduce risk after losses, right? It is the smart thing to do. I don't always do that. I should. Yes, I think reducing risk after you're losing, it is very smart. A lot of traders save their accounts that way. It's based on your equity of drawdown, how much you have left, and then you just slowly reducing size. If you think about it, a lot of traders that lose accounts very often will do the exact opposite, will increase size as you're down. So yes, I think reducing after losses is very smart.
It's a smart thing to do.
Gets my vote.
Right.
Yes.
All right. Pine?
Definitely a smart thing to do. Do I do it? Probably not.
I love the honesty with Pine. I love it.
Yes.
Probably one of the things that you should do is, especially if you're on a losing streak, I always suggest just size down. People are like, oh, I'm just going through evals, I'm going through funded accounts like a mad person. And it's like, well, size down, like try to get your confidence back and do it. Do I do it? No, I really like to add it into winning trades. And if I'm trading well, then I can erase those losses real quick. So I do like to add, and so essentially I'll be doubling, tripling the size of my first trade or something. So
Nice. All right. Pine says go on. All right, Husk.
As far as my risk management goes, I don't really ever downsize. My risk management is rotating through accounts and try to put it that way I don't do it. But at the end of the day, we're not always 100% with our accounts. Most of the time, the mistake we make we don't downsize. Most of the time, it's like if I went in with 3 micros, took the loss, let me see if I can put 6 on. I know I can get this.
That's it, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So that's the downside is the smart way to do it, but most of us are doubling up to try to get it back in one move.
There you go. Thank you, Husk. All right. Let's speed this up a little bit. Let's go. The next topic is, do payouts change your mindset? Does taking a payout change the way a trader mentally views the remaining balance in a funded account? This is a really interesting one. Husk?
Most definitely, especially depends on what kind of balance you have left, especially if it's one of those ones where, let's just say you can take out 50% of your drawdown and you're left with 50% drawdown. Most of the time it is very hard to get that account back to payout. So definitely affects your ability to get to the next stage, which is multiple payouts on your account. So most definitely.
It affects you. All right. Pine?
Oh, it definitely affects you. Yeah, for sure. In positive and negative ways, I think you can get overconfident. You can have that winner's tilt where if you start getting a lot of payouts, especially on the daily payout side, you can't seem to, you don't want to stop it. You don't want to stop the train. And so when you are red on the day, if you have some daily payout accounts, then the next thing you know, you might go to your other accounts that are not daily payout accounts and try to trade those and revenge on those accounts. And so it can change your mindset, and it's good and bad, right? I mean, at the end of the day, that's what we're all going for, is trying to pay yourself. So
yeah, Pine says definitely be careful. It's changing you. Terry?
I love payouts.
I love payouts.
I love them. I love them. I love them so much. Yes, I get so excited after I get a payout or payouts that it sometimes can negatively affect me as far as afterwards. As Pine mentioned, the winner's tilt, I can just go bananas and go buy like a 1 million accounts. So it can affect you. And also, I think the biggest way it can affect me is I think, oh my gosh, all I do is win, win, win. And I don't consciously think that, right? It's more, it shows up by how I'm trading. I put on more size, I take on more risk, and then it's just bad news. So yes.
All right. It affects. All right. Let's go. I like that. Next topic, should you lower expectations after a big month? So should a trader intentionally lower expectations after an unusually strong month, or continue aiming for the same level of performance? This is really interesting. Terry, what do you think?
Oh, yes. I think this is actually part of my game that I need to work on. So after a really big month, I really should lower my expectations and lower the risk that I put on, and probably not trade as much just because of my track record. I have seen many times throughout my trading journey that after a really big month, it tends to lead to some of my worst months just because of that winner's tilt. So yes, I think lowering expectations is smart.
Okay, it's a smart thing. Pine?
No, keep pushing the button, keep pushing forward. I mean, we gotta, I mean, big month, and then the next month's gonna be even bigger, and the next month's gonna be even bigger after that. So just keep going, keep pushing. Really, at the end of the day, you just really want to try to be consistent, and that's the name of the game with trading in general, or life. In my opinion, I'm giving Pine life advice now, but just consistency with everything. So whether you're eating or working out or trading, it's just about being consistent. So yeah, so I say just keep going, says Pine, like a big shot from Wall Street. All right, Husk?
I try to keep mine the same. So it's like last month I took 3 payouts. This month I'm not even sure if I'm gonna reach a payout. Like if I'll be lucky to get 1 payout if I have a fairly decent day between now and Monday. So I always try to keep my expectations the same. I don't really think about low. I just accept for whatever happens that month. My biggest thing is just not to lose all of my accounts so that it really sends me down the dumper, I guess, from having a really horrible month of trading. I always call the bad months surviving months. If you can survive those bad trading days where you don't go and completely bankrupt your business, which is your accounts, and just survive till the next week, kind of like we're surviving during this price action now. Don't make yourself go tilt. Just try to survive. Get to tomorrow. It's like, okay, price action may be a lot better tomorrow.
Husk with the wisdom. We like that. Yeah, surviving. Love it. Thank you so much, everybody. We did it. And there's a sound. I heard it. It's happening, guys.
Ooh, let's go.
It's time.
It's the bird.
We're already on the... Okay, let's go. I guess we're doing it. Let's go.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh,
What the... Okay.
It's the bird race. El Barrito, I see you. Day trades.
Oh, they're
Love
taking off.
MFFU.
That's what it was. They're taking off in the air. I was like, what is going on?
Oh,
I
my
like
gosh.
them. They're flying.
While the
Beep,
pigeons
beep.
are flying, or I don't even what are these creatures. I think they're birds. That's for sure. The thing is, we just hit the 900 viewers, guys. That is amazing. Amazing. 900 views, 377 likes until we watch the race. Smash the likes. By the end of the race, we can go to 400. Let's go. Okay, 15 seconds. This is going to be exciting.
Fly, bird, fly.
Fly. Just fly. Look at that.
can do
5 more
it.
seconds. Mantas. Hello. Awesome.
Top 15 wins a free account from MyFundedFutures. If you see your name in the top 15, make sure you tag at MyFundedFutures Prop Firm in our chat to claim your prize. Congratulations!
Congratulations,
birds.
everybody.
That's one of my favorite things to do when I go to the beach is to watch the birds dive in the water and like try to get back out of the water.
By the way, the market looks terrible. And just a quick question.
Yeah.
I'm not even sure because, I mean, to you, Terry, is there something we want to announce or talk about or not? I'm not sure if we have the green light yet or not.
Soon.
Soon?
Something.
All right.
Yes,
The
something
teaser.
fantastic.
All right. Something is happening. We can we can tease you guys a little bit. Something is happening, by the way, as we speak.
Yes.
So it's happening. It's happening, really.
It's happening. Big news.
so the 5-minute chart just chopping back and forth. Someone wanted to know about my trade there in the chat. It was basically just off that outside candle on the 2-minute chart, and unfortunately I had a pretty wide stop, but I could get away with it, and so I was looking for that low to get taken out. We never took out the low, but I got a little lucky and ended up bottom ticking that trade. So yeah, that was it. It was just this outside engulfing 2-minute candle. It came down on the momentum, and at first I got trapped. It came back up about 50% of it, but the stop had to go above this candle here. So once it got above that candle, that's when I would stop myself out, but ended up rolling back over and we got out. So that was it.
Let's go.
That's it.
I like that. I like it.
And right now,
Well,
I mean, if you look at that 5-minute chart, it is just nasty. It is nasty. It's
Oh my
barcoding.
gosh.
It's gross. So
So anyway, I think, yeah, go on, Terry. Go on. Yeah.
Oh.
No,
Okay.
yeah.
I have a very serious question that I
Oh my
would like
gosh.
to ask all three of you.
I'm sweating already. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Does it matter how many trades you take a day if you end up green and you end up getting payouts? Like, let's say I take 200 trades in one day and I average 200 every day, and I'm just looking for, $20, which, by the way, with MyFundedFutures, one big positive plus of why MyFundedFutures is so amazing is that there is no time minimum that we have to have for our trades. It's just 4 ticks or more. So I love that. I love it for scalping on NQ. I go for 5 ticks sometimes. Yeah. What do you think, Tom? Does it matter if I take 200 trades in a day, or is that very bad?
You know what? There was a time when I would have said, you got to change something there, blah, blah, blah. But you know what I say now, and I might have said this like 2 years ago, maybe, or 3 years ago. Today, I mean, I've seen so many things in the past 1 or 2 years. I've seen different type of traders, different type of strategies, so many different variations of how day trading can go. And you know what I say? I think it doesn't matter. As long as you make profits and you're able to handle the emotions, because it's always, it comes with mental awareness, emotions, all those things. If you're strong enough to go with it, do it. Okay. If you're really skilled and strong enough, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, all that matters, are you ending up consistently, like looking at the bigger average, obviously. If you're ending up in the green, then go for it. Right. So I'm still kind of on my end. I'm aiming for let's trade a little bit less, but I'm kind of seeing other traders also in my community as well. I keep getting screenshots and ideas and everything, and I'm seeing that there are traders who are making dozens and dozens of trades, almost like an algo. Like every session, they just keep pushing the button and they make money. And I'm like, you know what? I said this, I think yesterday. Someone in my community, I said, I mean, you know what? If you can make money like this, then why should you just stop? Just keep continuing and do it. That's it. That's what I think.
Yeah, like it might be their thing. Someone who takes lots of trades.
Yeah.
Like I saw someone commenting about Ike, that Ike takes a ton of trades in a day and he gets lots of payouts, you guys. So
that's it.
Yeah.
If you can make it and if it works for you, go for it. Yeah.
Yes.
That's it.
What do you think, Husk? Oh, here's something.
Another form. Is there something?
Another form. Yes. Everyone get your name on that form for a chance to win another free account. That one will be coming up soon. So this is how you can enter the raffle. MyFundedFutures will be dropping it in our chat. And you do have to be present in order to win. So stick around for SK. He will be on with, not with us, but after us in about 17 minutes here. I'm so curious, Husk, what do you think about my question?
I think it's okay to take multiple trades. I've never been a big fan of taking tons of trades on one account, especially if you're already up, because there's nothing worse than having a good morning. I can't tell you how many times in the morning times I've had good trading sessions. You know what? Let me continue trading during the lunch hour where it's choppy and end up losing all my profit or lose my account. You went from a trading high to now you're like, ah. So, you're like,
clip that.
It's like, oh, why did I do that? Why?
Yeah.
You just ask you that question. To me, that's kind of where we've gone back in the past, talking about having multiple accounts. If that's something that you're really into doing, is at least for me, is if I'm gonna over trade, I need to be trading multiple accounts. So I'm trading like 10 accounts right now, so I can rotate through them, unless it's an eval.
Nice.
So yeah.
So you're like, go for it, but have multiple accounts, not financial advice. But that's what you do.
Yeah, that would have to be my thing. It kind of keeps my trading psychology in check here.
Nice.
Yeah. Pine, you don't care. You're like, just go for it.
Yeah, I don't really care. I just go for it. But it's usually if I trade that much, it's usually a little bit of tilt. So I do recognize that in my trading. Like if I'm trading, that's funny, helpful in the chat. I was just talking about this on my own stream last night, which is hilarious. But I was saying that one of my most viral videos, short videos on my socials is I ended up taking about a 15K payout out of this one account. And I was showing the calendar, and on the calendar it said like I took 200 trades in one day on one of the days. But like, and then so the trolls came in and were like, what kind of grown man takes 200 trades in a day? And it's like, and I'm just like, well, one that takes 15K out of this account, but
Mic drop, boom.
but
You're like
but,
that kind of grown man.
But it's
Now-
just so funny because like, and then it's not the first one, so we laugh about it now, like on my channel. But yeah, I mean, so it's one of those deals. It's like you got to know yourself as a trader and say, well, and evaluate it at the end of the day. Well, like, was that good trading that I was doing? Did it feel good? And like when I did this, I just did this the other day. What I call forced a green day, because I should have walked away red, but I forced a green day. And yeah, it didn't feel good. Like I felt like that was complete over trading. It was ridiculous, and I put all my accounts at risk by doing it. And it worked, but it's one of those things that I have to watch for and say, you kind of gotta dial it back sometimes. The best days for me still are if you get in that 1 to 3 trades and you lock out your profits and you're done, and those are the best days for me.
Now, was that a
Thank
big
you,
account
Kai.
that you took all your trades in?
Yeah, for the big payout.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was 150K.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
okay.
I have something so exciting to share. So
Yes.
exciting.
We want to know. I know already.
There it is. Here it is.
This is such
That's it.
such a big announcement, you guys. The rapid end of day is here to stay. Oh my God.
Forever. Yes.
Forever and ever. This gets me so excited. I love this account, you guys. This is my favorite account. It's many people's favorite account. So rapid end of here is to stay. Everyone using code YouTube, you can snatch these up for $104. That is it. Everyone gets 50% off 4 uses of this. And what is so special about this account is its end of day drawdown in both eval and sim funded. Daily payouts, no daily loss limit. This one, that's huge for people who like to press it. 90-10 split. 90-10 split. We get to keep 90%, 10% to the firm, up to $10,000 in daily profits. Pass in as few as 4 trading days. And this is what we love about this account.
Guys, this is basically, it has been confirmed. This is the most popular account at MyFundedFutures. And this is definitely something we have the green line to tell you guys. This is the most popular account. So that's the simple answer for it. You get everything here. So it's just the best, guys. Best. I mean, there's nothing more to say to this. And it's here to stay. End of day trailing. I mean, on the funded stage as well. What else do you want?
We did
it.
We did it.
We did it.
We did it. It's because we all love this account so much. And now it's here to stay. Makes me so happy. Type in one in chat if you love the rapid end of day account.
We love that. We love that. Definitely.
There's no other account like it. There's no other account because there's no consistency. Once you're funded, 90-10 split. It's just absolutely incredible. And end of day drawdown. There's daily payouts. There's no other account like it.
Guys, you can get a payout on your first day on your funded account. Like, this is really, really awesome. Really awesome. On the first day, right, Terry? Yeah.
Yes, exactly. I took that massive payout from my account, from my Rapid account, end of day.
Oh yeah, and just to prove that, I'm not sure if I can share it or not. You guys can decide. But I need to give you guys an apology because as we were doing the roundtable, I was kind of going a little bit like crazy there, and I didn't really want to interrupt you guys. But I made $3,159 on my brand new Rapid account today, and I put it on my screen.
What?
You guys can see the date. If you guys want to share my screen, it doesn't matter, but it's on here. I got the account today. It's a brand new account, and I'm already up, as you can see, $3,159 on this Rapid account, which means I'm definitely not doing anything crazy today with this one. And tomorrow I'm going to be requesting how much? $1,059.
Let's go.
So let's go with that. So yes, I got to admit, and I'm not ashamed to admit it, but hey, you know what? The bank is not asking me like how it got there or what happened. I'm not ashamed to admit it that I got a bit on a tilt right there, because I saw that drop to 431, and we were doing the roundtable, and I was like, I'm gonna do this in hindsight. I don't care. I just need. I saw that this is gonna happen at 431, so I just went all in. I'm not.
Nice.
I'm not proud of it, but hey, money is money. Money is money, and I just took it. And you know what? It's guys. It's a Rapid account, and it's called hard cash on your accounts on the first day. So, and this is just proving that you can make a no consistency there and just withdraw it. Anyway. Don't do this at home, but I did it, by the way, other time as well. But anyway, it worked out. It worked out, and let's get that money anyway.
Daily payout.
Daily
Tom's
payouts.
the hammer over there.
Guys,
Daily
daily
payouts.
payouts are the way to go. I'm telling you, once you guys start getting the daily payouts, you're not going to want to trade anything else. So
Oh yeah, exactly.
it's really a game changer. It really is.
It really
Not,
is.
not financial advice.
Not finance, definitely not.
And now with the no rebill, you can really take your time to pass those evals. It's like, no problem. I love this.
Yeah, guys, this is the power of the Rapid account, especially now that it's end of day trailing. Like, I mean, we all love the pro account as well and everything, but guys, I'm just sorry. I can't name any other, and I'm just going to say it out. I hope I'm not going to get some heat from management. There's no other prop firm out there that can do this right now in the current prop firm business and the current industry right now. This is so unique right now. And I'm going to say it out loud. So I'm not going to say names out there in the prop firm space, but there's nobody out there that does it so fast, so rapidly, so awesome right now like this here at MyFundedFutures, the Rapid end of day account. Everything all in, all the extras, you get it here. That's it.
Everything. Yes.
Yes.
I was thinking about the Rapid end of day plan and all the things that I feel like other firms, other accounts, like with daily payouts, I was like, if I were to design the perfect daily payout account, it really truly is a Rapid end of day with MyFundedFutures, because I love the no consistency once you're funded. I love the 90-10 split. I love the daily payouts. It's like just so many things to love.
I mean,
it's truly the perfect daily payout plan. Yeah,
honestly, I don't even know how MyFundedFutures can top this one right now. Like, how is it possible to top this Rapid account right now? Better than, I mean, how can it get better? I know you guys will say, like, give it for $1. Yeah, sure. But otherwise, how can you top this up? It's really impossible. You get everything here with this one. Yeah.
Oh, fun. I love it. Have you guys been opening up any packs from the MyFundedFutures Club?
Not yet.
Yes.
I mean, yes, I mean, points. Yeah, points.
My still best one is my 80%, which we haven't used yet. We're trying to pass this account first before we add another. I'm scared to add another one because I don't want it to just sit there. So we're about $500 away from passing. So
Nice.
then hopefully
80%.
we can use that get like that $20 account, because I think it's a 25K if I'm not mistaken on the 80%.
So good. 80%. I haven't had one that big yet. I think I had 60%. Yes, 60%.
I'm hoarding my points. I'm just hoarding them. I'm waiting for the merch. So I'm
The
trying
merch
to save
store?
my points. Yeah.
Is
I want
it
the swag.
confirmed? Can we use those points for the merch store? Is it
We
just
don't
a
know.
rumor, or
We
is
will
it in
be
the
able
plans?
to. No, we will be able to.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. All right.
What is
I can
what if the people see online? They talking about their merch? I'm dripping with the MyFundedFutures stuff. Pine's going to show up with a full outfit, shoes, and everything.
Yeah. I,
That's
lo- I
good.
love
Sorry.
I love free merch. I love free clothes. That's my whole wardrobe is free. Everywhere I go, when I go to the donate blood, I'm always grabbing all the t-shirts. Yeah, I love free stuff, free clothes,
Fine is about the
especially.
free stuff. I like
You
it.
wanna? Oh, Terry's gonna open the pack.
Yes.
nice.
Do you guys see the pack? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's rip some packs together.
All right.
Let's do this one first. Oh, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
All right, let's see.
Ooh. Oh.
500.
Oh, let's go.
I like that.
That's a good one. Okay, continue. Now, club pack. Here we go. I love ripping these open. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go. What will it be? Okay. 100 points.
Ooh, let's go.
Still good.
Terry's hoarding
Still good.
points too.
Our CEO,
600 points.
Matt Leach, was tweeting something about feed pics. What about those? Are those
Yeah, that's
available here?
legendary. I
I
think
didn't
that's
get
a
that
one
one.
in a million shot.
Okay.
I know. I didn't get that one.
Yeah, that's like pulling a Charizard if you're open Pokemon.
Nice. Guys, I mean, I'm amazed on this market. Like, what the heck? You know, we swept the lows, swept the highs, swept the new low, and now we're sweeping almost another high here. Like, I don't know. ICT traders call it maybe the seek and there you go. We just swept the high again. So is this a seek and destroy there, or I don't know if this is so crazy. I mean, usually we don't get like the 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, 4 swings here. It's just crazy.
Yeah, I know. I read along the top of the 15-minute orb at 60 or 64 is my entry. I'm targeting the
564 or-
4-hour high. 564. Yeah.
Oh wow.
So we're targeting the 4-hour high candle up there at 660.
Okay.
Now I got burned a few times yesterday looking for these bigger moves. It cost me profit on my fundeds, but this is an eval that we, like I said, trying to pass this MyFundedFutures 25K here before we use the 80% off code.
Nice.
If
Good.
that one is going to feel so good when you buy that one, it's like, you're going to save so much money.
I know.
Oh,
you
yeah.
don't have to be in a hurry. to pass
80%
either.
off.
Yeah.
Oh wow, we're at 400 likes, guys.
Oh, let's go.
That's why we
Yes.
brought the glasses to do the dance party, guys. You guys all had glasses.
Let's do the dance party.
Pine has the AI
All
glasses.
right, let's do it.
Pine's AI glasses. Oh goodness. One of these days I'm gonna figure out how to put those
Right.
on.
It just means that you, Husk, and me, we are real.
That's
I
right.
almost
Real
wanted to
OGs.
you can get on Amazon and get you some duck glasses. It's
Duck
still
glasses.
not as good the other day, Tom, when for some reason when you were sitting there like cuddling your duck and holding your duck, you held it for like 5 minutes. You're like, why am I holding this duck?
Right. What am I doing? It's still summer here. I think, I mean, it has its life on its own, so it's kind of walks around my apartment. But yeah, it's summer here. It's a real one, by the way.
What a fun segment, you guys. Thank you, everyone, for smashing that like button. Last minute thoughts before we head out, Pine?
I'm just looking at SK in the back office, looking at us, going, "What is these guys doing? What did I sign up for?" Anyways, guys, yeah, no, this is a great segment. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah.
Thank you, Pine. Husk?
Guys, I say if you're looking for longs, just be careful. Longs have been really tough the last week with this huge hourly order block we've been stuck in, and it could even be on higher time frames. Today is one of these days. Take your profit. I've been getting myself in trouble, but I've been missing out on a lot of profit by not taking profit and letting it come back and stop me out. So
Thank you,
Let's
Husk.
go.
take your profit today.
Yeah.
Take your profit today. Tom?
Well, I was a little bit crazy today on the charts and did something that you should not do at home. So anyway, but ended up in the green. So let's get that money. I love the Rapid account. Daily
Let's
payouts
go.
forever. Daily payouts are amazing. So get it, guys. It's here to stay. Thank you so much for the vibes. It's awesome. Thank you.
Thank you, Tom. Thank you, Husk. And thank you, Pine. Thank you to you traders. You guys are so amazing. Thank you for joining us this morning, every morning. Please welcome SK. We'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you, guys.
Bye, guys.
Kaboosh!
Are you short? I hope you're short.
I'm flat line.
I called a short up there.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Yes, sir.
Bag up, bag up. Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry.
All right, hey, welcome everybody. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome everybody. Hello everybody. How's everybody going? Here we go. I didn't even know I was here. I'm sitting here. Okay, let's go. Wow, what a longs I had this morning. Okay, again, using the underlying ETFs, really, you should see what my community just made. We just caught a really great short on the sell divergences. Every new high, I would be looking to short the market, okay? If you look here, all right, if you look here on the NASDAQ futures, this is why we were calling shorts this morning, all right? Just going to show this to you here, all right? Every new high, one new high, two new highs, MACD's non-confirmation. Look at this. We just took a short. That's down 50 handles. Let's go. Are you short?
No.
Okay. They're going to get kabooshed. Okay? Do you see this here? Okay? These new highs here. What's up, everybody? El Barbarito, get in there. Short the world. No, I'm only kidding. Hey, Sir Ben, what's going on? Ninja Technical, what's up? Dirtbag, D Hall, Microsoft, short it. All right, it was a great short of 505. What's up, Mathematica? Vanessa, get in there. G Peralta won last night. Nasdaq kabooshed. Oh my God, it's freaking Nvidia. It's going to drive me crazy with these shorts. Okay, all right. Trade, let's go. I am so fired up. Sicario, do you know I watched that scene like 30 times last night, the revenge scene? I got goosebumps when I watched that scene. Oh my God almighty. Oh my God. All right. Whew. D-Hall, get in there. Anybody here from the great state of Florida? And look at this, MyFundedFutures, the best prop firm out there. Okay? All right, I got 45 years of experience, right? Let's go. Let's do this. All right, let's do this here. And if you look why I was calling longs here today, why I've been teaching all of you, right? Okay, that you have to look at the underlying ETFs with the continuous contract. Look at when you made new lows here on the 30-minute and the 60-minute. The MACDs were positive. These are buy divergences. So the underlying ETFs acted as a floor, and the continuous contracts acted as a roof or a ceiling. Pick your whatever you want. All right, there you go. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Get in there. All right, how is everybody doing? Lower your stops. Exactly, lower your stops. All right, I got some positions here, so I gotta just I can't even see. I just missed an NVIDIA short by pennies. Okay. All right. Microsoft just got cabooshed. D-Hall 2 hit that 505. I think the market's going to start rolling over now. This is the time period to get the pullbacks here. Okay. You got the chips that are down here, right? You got the chips that are down. You got the Micron not acting well. You got WDC. You got AMD. You got SanDisk. So I don't really know what would happen here, other than the fact that I think the market's going to get kabooshed. Let's see here. Coinbase. Who's trading Bitcoin here? I'm going to tell you now. You guys, in my opinion, are missing out. On Bitcoin, we had this really great long here. It pushed down here, okay? New lows, and these MACDs did not confirm. Look at this Bitcoin, okay? Same thing with the Qs earlier, okay? Nasdaq's getting Nasdaq should get another push up here, okay? If you look here, you can see the push down right here, 78,910, and it kaboomed 1,100 points. Look at this buy divergence. And then here, if you look at the 5-minute time frame based upon the strategy, you have, right? Look at this beautiful bull flag right here. Boom, 600 points. Okay? I mean, come on. You guys should be trading Bitcoin, MBT, I believe, right? Duck MTV, Raj, get in there. El Barbarito, base hit, what's going on? Subham, anybody new here? Oh my God, Coinbase new highs. Oh, soaked. Oh my God. KK, how are you? Zeph Side, Willy, 33, Forex, get in there. Jip Smith. You all should be joining, all these people should be joining the Asia session. I mean, you got the best prop firm in the world, okay? The best prop firm in the world, okay? And let's go. Let's do this, okay? Let's do this here, all right? Well, we do. I don't know what the word races mean, but we do giveaways on the Asia session at night. Oh my God, MSTR. Look at this thing go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Where's this Coinbase going? All right. Okay, 930 referring to the prior opening price. Bitcoin's pushing up. Let's see here. Where's this thing? 90. All right. All right. You got another bull flag setting up here on Microsoft here. NVIDIA can't get going. NVIDIA's just got kabooshed. NVIDIA just dropped $1.60. All right. All right. And if anybody has any questions or anybody needs any help with trading, I do give out my personal cell phone number. And if you like to watch my podcast, go to my SK Trading YouTube. Watch the bull, the bear, and the ugly. Short some S&Ps at 31. Let's go. 31, 33, 35. You hear me? All right, go 248. All right, I might have missed it. It just hit 31 when I was talking. I think the market's, let's see if you get one more push up here. Okay. All right. Let's see here. You got NVIDIA getting kabooshed here. All right. All right. Let's see what's going to happen here now. There goes Apple exploding here. Dow. If the S&Ps get up to the 31 handle, again, you're making new highs, non-confirmations. I'm just hoping and praying you get one more push up here. Okay, Intel just got kabooshed. Tesla just got kabooshed. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How's everybody doing today? Look at the YM. Okay, I'm looking at the YM. Let me see. Let me see if I can help you with the YM. I look at the underlying ETF. You got to look at the underlying ETF when you're trading. Please, 60s the bullish, 30s bullish, 15s bullish. Let's see here. I'd be probably looking to short these here. You got negative MACDs, non-confirmation. I'd be looking to short. Oh, Jesus. The S&Ps just drops. Just cancel it. Just drop 7 handles here. Just cancel it.
Cancel.
Yeah, out. Okay, out. Good job. All right, what's the high here? 54.93. All right, Tesla, MSTR. Where's this thing going? All right, would have been short. Okay, all right. Hope and see if we get. All right, you may get one more push up here. One more push up here. All right, let's just see here. Wow, Microsoft just got caboose $3 here. All right, so I'm going to show you a really great strategy here. PLTR, just to show everybody, the 60-minute reverse is to buy right here. You're going into a positive trend, and then what do? You buy this first pull, but we bought this below the 83.10 all the way down, and then look at this beautiful long. ADX is rising, positive MACDs, D-Hall. Look at this thing go, baby, $3. There you go. Okay. Let's see if this NVIDIA is going to get another push up here. So NVIDIA, which means the market should get another push up. So if this NASDAQ gets down anywhere to the 510 to 550, S&Ps, if they get down to the 21.5, 26 and 26 range, or 20, I'd go maybe 20.5, 25.5 range, I'll be a buyer. This gold is short here. Gold, the GLDs, if they get up to 44 to 61, 51, oh my God, Tesla just got $2 down. NVIDIA is going to get another push up here. NVIDIA. Okay, look at the first pullback here. I'm thinking we got one more push up here. Tesla just dropped 2. You can't get, these chip stocks cannot get going. Look at Micron. Micron can't get going. Look at this, Micron, finished. What a short on the, I tried to 678 before the market opened. There you go. There goes the NASDAQ. Okay. All right. Anybody new here? Anybody new? Prash, RD, Values, how are you? Anybody new here? You're going to get another push up there. All right. Now get ready on the next bounce. I want to short them. You hear me? Okay.
Yes. Yes.
No. All right. So cancel the buy range on the S&Ps. All right. Okay. Good. I think these YMs should be shorted for a pullback. You got sell divergences making new highs here. SK, what? Hey, what's going on, Amir? What's up, Baba? Get in there. How's everybody doing today? You see the discounts, MyFundedFutures? I'm in, guys. Okay. Hey, Jace. Davis, how are you? You see how MyFundedFutures, how to read this chart? I can't explain it to you here and now, Subham. I mean, it's a methodology. I'm here to, teach and do some trades, but if you want to learn, you could just text me 914. If anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, and then I could talk to you more about the methodology and everything. Okay. 914-500-7484. Okay. Hey, okay. That was great this morning. Okay, wow. All right. I'd be shorting gold here. I'd be shorting, look at this. Oh my God. These chip stocks are going to really dampen the market here. Tesla down 3. Wow. This is brutal. There goes NVIDIA. Look at this Tesla. New high is non-confirmation. Just dropped almost $3 here. We get one more push up on the NASDAQ. Look to sell 50 to 60 range. There goes the bull flag. D-Hall, look at the bull flag on Microsoft. D-Hall, look at this. Beautiful bull flag right here. Okay, beautiful bull flag. First pullback, double blue. And then look at NVIDIA, first pullback here. That's why I think, look at this, beautiful pullback. on NVIDIA. You see that? Beautiful Picasso right there. You see that right there? Look at that. 223.50, just ran $1 on NVIDIA. Trading like water. Okay. We got to get these YMs to drop. Oh my God. Tesla down 3. Oh my God. All right. Bitcoin, I think, should get a pullback here. What a long on Bitcoin. Bitcoin just ran 700 points off that 5-minute buy on the 5-minute time frame. You got to be kidding me. Are you short gold?
Yeah.
Where?
At 49.
Okay. You sell some more at 51. It should drop. Amazon can't get going here today. Now, when the next pullback on the YMs, I'd be looking to buy them. Okay. I'd be looking to buy them. AMD cannot get going. This is brutal. Here goes the NASDAQ. There goes the NASDAQ. There goes NVIDIA. There goes the S&Ps. Didn't get down there, but you should be long the NASDAQ between 50 and 60 or 50 and 65, 70. Start kicking them out if you're long. You're going to get a nice pullback here on the YMs. Okay. This was some long here. Okay. I think these YM, you're 126 points from the 10-bar moving average here. You see that right there? Hey, content, how are you? Okay. NVIDIA. Oh my God, look at this Tesla short. Oh, God. Oh Lord. And I got to tell you, here you go. Let's go. Actually, do me a favor. Turn the button down for the lights if you can, if you're still short. So much better. Up. If you're short this gold, look to cover 43.47. Hi, Bobo. All right. YM should start dropping here. Market cannot get going. Listen to me. The market cannot get going with the chips down. You got NVIDIA. I mean, you got Micron. Hello, Boo-Boo. Hi, everybody. Say hi to Henny. That's my Henny. You when you have Micron down 1.6%, you got SanDisk down 1%. Okay, you got AMD down 1%. So what I'm saying here now, it's just very difficult for the market to gain any traction. And I'm telling you, I'm 64. I'll be 64. In my 45 years in the industry, Henny, no. In my 45 years in the industry, okay, I'm telling you, Henny's been here, Baba Trading. Say hi to Baba Trading. Henny, look, say hi to everybody. Hey, say hi. Say hi to Baba. Say hi to Baba. Okay, all right, stop. He's gonna, no, me. He wants to eat everything. Yeah, Baba. Oh my God, he's so hungry. He's so hungry. He's such a good boy. I'm so blessed. There goes the NASDAQ. There goes there goes NVIDIA. Just ran $1.50. I knew NVIDIA turning up is what's going to turn the market up. Hi, you ate that already? Oh my God. Hello, Daddy. Daddy loves you. All right, go to sleep now. Okay? There you go. TQQ's going down. I don't know. NASDAQ just ran like 30, 40 points just now here. Okay, now I'm going to get short the next bounce. You hear me? Hello? Come in now.
Yes.
All right, there goes the long on Microsoft. Microsoft just rallied about $2. Look at the NASDAQ. Are you short this gold?
Yeah.
All right, I hope you.
One contract.
What?
I got one contract that after the drill and stop.
Oh my God. Look at this AMD go. Wow. There you go. Anybody get that long on the NASDAQ? It's still going. That's a double blue buy. Look at this. Look at the double blue buy here. Okay. Right here. The fives reverse to buy. Look at this pullback. The oversold condition. 717.14. Q's just ran. I knew the market was going to rally based upon that pattern. Any big W's here? Let's go. Who got that long? Let's go. NVIDIA up $1.50. First pullback on NVIDIA. Look at this. D Hall, get in there. Look, first pullback. Look at this. Up $2. Look at this. Look at this rally. All right, short 2 at 34. Short 2 at 34. Short 4 at 36. All right. Let me see.
Build it too.
Okay. All right. You should cover some shorts here on some gold here. Okay. What a Picasso.
Build to 34.
All right. Good job. Okay. There you go. What a long on NVIDIA. What a long on NVIDIA. That's $2 on NVIDIA. Okay, cover some at 32, cover 32 and a half. Cover them. Go, let's go. Steven,
Yep.
32 and a half. Let's go. Cover S&Ps. Okay, 32. Cover one at 32 and a half, one at 32. All right,
Okay.
let's go. Click, Steven, quick. Let's go. This is not, you're flat?
Yep.
Good. All right, cancel the, okay. Gold, cover some gold here.
Oh yeah, I got a trailing stop.
All right.
Got one.
Let's
I'm out
go.
on flat counts, 36.
Yes, anytime you cover, let me explain something to you. Anytime you cover a position, you always cancel the offers above, okay? All right? All right. What a long on this freaking NVIDIA! Woo! What a long! That's an absolute Picasso. Between the double blue on the Qs, between the NVIDIA long, I knew the market would push up. Okay? Anybody understand that right there? That's a Picasso. And again, right around the time period, the 1050 time period. You see that? That's an absolute Picasso. All right? Big W there, right? Anton, who's Joe? All right, anybody get that long? Anybody get that long? What a long. Jesus. Look at this NVIDIA. NVIDIA's D Hall. Are you trading? Day trade Dan? Day trade Dan? Look at this. Look at this long on NVIDIA. $2.50, $2. It was a low. 40, 50. You're up 230 on NVIDIA. Look at the gold drop. You got it trailing?
I'm out. I'm
You're
flat.
done? All right. Nice trade. Hey, Igor. How are you? Oh, you're flat S&Ps, right?
Flat.
All right. All right. Let's see. If they push up to 35, just put one out there as like an alert. Okay, just give me an idea. If they get up there, I want to short them. All right. Wow.
Still 130.
All right. Oh, they're gonna get kabooshed. That's it. Oh, they may get kabooshed here.
So 135.
No, forget it. Forget it. Just no. It was just like an alert. It's just an alert. How everybody? Anybody get that long there? What a long there. Jesus. What a short in gold. Hey Igor, how are you? If anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my personal cell phone number, 914-500-7484. All right. MSTR, where's this thing? 135.96. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tesla, unbelievable, down $4 off the high. So if you look at Tesla, right, you're making new highs here. You tell me if these MACDs confirm the high on the 60-minute time frame. It ain't happening, right? It ain't happening. Okay? All right. Okay. So you took a fine time to leave me, Lucille. All right. 530 people here. It's almost 11 o'clock. All right. Say goodbye to gold. Bye-bye. Say goodbye to Hollywood. Say goodbye, my baby. MACDs are lagging. First of all, let me explain one thing about trading, okay? Price leads, indicators lag. It's all you have to do and say. However, when indicators lag, okay, it paints a picture. Okay, it paints a picture. All right, and that's the most important thing you need to know, that it paints a picture. What a short on the gold. Are you kidding me or what? Did you give YouTube short? I have no idea what you're talking about. I have no idea what you're talking about. Say goodbye to Hollywood. The bottom line is that indicators lag, but if you paint the picture and you read the picture, look at this, Micron, new lows. Where are they going? Where are they going? When happened giveaway? So, you know, I do the Asian markets, right? And we have so much fun at that, you know, and I thank MyFundedFutures for that. But I got to tell you, you got to learn to laugh and you got to learn to laugh. And you got to be loosey-goosey when you trade. You can't be so tight. You can't let your emotions in. I know it's hard to say, and you got to be, you know, you got to just have fun. I love being here. I love it. What are you doing? Okay. I love being here. I love meeting. I'm going to meet so many of you here over time. And okay, no problem. And Mikey Jacques, get in there. Mikey Jacques, look at this NVIDIA. NVIDIA just ran $3 on that pattern. All right. So what a long on NVIDIA. Jesus. Say goodbye. And especially when you have ADXs rising on the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frames, you get that pullback on the 5. Are you crazy?
Just plain stupid.
There it is. Right? Get in there, Vanessa B. I really got to tell you, I'm really looking forward to hopefully meeting all of you one day. So many of you here are in the Asia session at night, and really super excited about meeting all of you. There goes the YMs dropping. Who's short the YMs here? Who's short the YMs? Who is short the YMs? No, nobody? Say goodbye to Hollywood. Okay, so now Tesla, let me just teach you the strategy. The 30-minute just reversed to buy here at 10:30. And then what do you look to do? You buy the first pullback right here on the 5. Okay, so this is a buy disconnect. And you want to buy the first pullback at 11. And you can see it just ran 2 points, okay, on the 5-minute. This is a set strategy right here. Wow, look at this NVIDIA. Where's this thing going? Oof, 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 oof.
Past 35.
What?
You just passed 35.
Okay. All right, short. It hit 35. You're short?
No, I'm not short. I took it off.
No, I said leave one at 35. I didn't tell you to cancel it. Again, Steven, you have to listen. I didn't say not to. I just said leave one at 35 as like an alert for me, right?
You did.
Okay, so I didn't say to cancel it, right?
So this gentleman.
I said to him.
Okay, I'm in.
Him.
Oh. Oh, I need.
I told him.
Okay.
I wanted 1 alert, not 5 alerts.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So sell one at 35. Go ahead.
Yeah.
All right. All right. New highs here. Okay. You still one at 35?
Yes.
All right. So 2 at 37. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my God, Nvidia. Look at this Nvidia right back.
Okay. In 3 at 36.
Okay, cover 1 at 36, 5.5 and 5. Go click, click, click. Right? Yes, no, maybe.
No, say again, please.
Cover 1 at 36, 5.5 and 5. 35. Right? Oh my God, Tesla, Nvidia. Oh my God, this Nvidia just dropped 40 cents. Jesus Christ. All right, let's see here. You got Coinbase making new highs here. Coinbase, Tesla right back up. Apple pushing up. Palantir pushing up. Buy the world. Did you cover anything?
Not yet.
See what I'm saying? How fast you got to be? Okay. So 439. Okay. No, Shadow Dragon. You got to give me a call, Shadow Dragon. 914-500-7484. What's your average now?
36 and 40.
It can't be. You told me your average was 36.5 before. If you, okay, just leave it.
One and 36.
Okay.
One and 35 and a half.
Okay.
1 and 35.
There you go. Good. I just shorted Nvidia on the highs. Just made $1 on Nvidia. Boom. There you go. That's how you do it. But you got to be fast. Okay? You can't, this is not hard. Go click, 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 click. Look at these S&Ps drop. Okay? That's how you do it. Don't be scared to click. I'm a moron, okay, when it comes to this stuff. And I go, there's nobody faster in the world. Nobody faster. Look at this Nvidia drop. All right, now it's still 2 at 39. Okay. All right. You got to practice.
For 2.
All right. You don't have to repeat it. I got it. All right. Gold, no, gold. Gold dropped all the way down. I said cover shorts. Let's see if this NASDAQ gets up to like the 630, 640. I think it's a short. Jesus Christ, NVIDIA. NVIDIA just dropped $1.30. I had, look at this. I sold the highs here. Look at this. NVIDIA. NVIDIA. Look at this. I was 630. Look at the high, 631. Look at that, baby. Get in there. Look at this drop. NVIDIA. Micron can't get going. Look at this. This is a beautiful bear flag. And plus, you're making new highs here in the non-confirmation. This is a Picasso, right? This is an absolute Picasso. Anybody get that short in NVIDIA? Anybody trading stocks, or mostly everybody's just trading futures here? Okay. Brandon, you get that short, Brandon, on NVIDIA? Short one at 37. Oh my God, look at this. Look at them. All right.
Got it.
I'm short?
It's waiting to be filled.
Yeah. Don't say got anything. Just say filled. That's what you have to do, right?
Copy that.
Yeah.
Filled.
Okay. Okay. I cover 35 and a half or 35. Just cover 35 and a half or 35, whatever. I don't care. Boom. There. See? That's how you do it, right? You're just practicing. Okay.
What?
All right. I get it. Okay. NASDAQ, if it gets up to 20, up to 60, I'd short them. All right. This is the time they're going to start rolling over here now. Now, between the hours of 1 and between 12 and, I would say, what time is it? Between the hours of 12 and 1:32, the 15 should set up. And then between, I would say, 1 and 3, the 30-minute time frame should set up. Okay? That's how I look at the market. Look at this NVIDIA. Up 3, down 2. Oh, my God. Oh, look at this. Are you flat, S&Ps?
Flat, yes.
Okay. Look at this. What a short NVIDIA. Hey, Peter. Nice to meet you. How are you, everybody? All right. All right. And please join me tonight during the Asia session for the MyFundedFutures. Go to MyFundedFutures YouTube. And we do have, we do 10 giveaways there. It's fun. It's a great 2 hours. A lot of you who are work, a lot of you who can't make it. All right. It's a great 2 hours. Make sure you have no offers on the S&P. All right. All right. Oh my God, NVIDIA just dropped $2. My God, Meta just got kabooshed. Down 15. All right. So now you're making new highs on the NASDAQ. All right, you're making new highs on the S&P. NVIDIA can't make it new highs. You got the chips that are down. All right. I say let them have them. Here we go. That's what I say. Bitcoin, 80,300. Dim sums up 450. There you go. Okay. These I gotta get. I buy these glasses. They cost me $600-700 here, and they're always getting fogged up, man. I gotta tell you, I just don't get it, man. Like all I do is just clean my glasses all day long. You know, all I do is clean my glasses all day long. I just don't get it, really. It's just enough is enough already. We're offering 2 at 39. Steven, are you offering at 39 on the S&P?
Am I up where?
Are you offering at 39?
No, I will.
Okay.
Yeah. 139.
Yeah, but these are, but you know, I don't get it, man. It's like, I buy these glasses. They're supposed to be lightweight, so when I'm trading, I don't feel like there's a elephant on my face, you know. No, it's just, I don't know. It's just crazy, man. Just crazy. All right. I can't believe this NVIDIA.
130.
Okay. All right. Cover 37.5. 1. All right. Filled. Boom.
Filled.
That's it. That's it. Next. All right. NASDAQ, if you're short, look to cover below 10. If you sold 20s here. Istanbul. Hey, bid even. Here you go. Lower your stops. Oh my goodness. I sold the high by 1 cent in NVIDIA. 227.30. The high was 227.31. That's a Picasso. Okay. Oh, Nelly. Whoa, Nelly. All right. Look at this Bitcoin. Oh my God, Bitcoin's exploding here. Look at Coinbase here. You can see Coinbase had a really beautiful bull flag right here. See this? Big Coinbase. All right. Oh, wow. NVIDIA can't get going. The chips can't get going. Look at Micron here. 18, boom. 25. That can't be right. 18 to 25 like that. Wow. Anybody have any questions here? Anybody new here? Anybody? Anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream? Please text me your full name, your email to my personal cell phone number, 914-500-7484. So 1 at 40, please. NASDAQ, look to sell here anywhere from the 25 up to 60, all right, range on the NASDAQ. All right. So
140.
Got it. Okay. All right. All right, just practice. Right. Okay. I don't know where the market's going to go here. Okay, I don't know where the market's going to go with the chips. Sell 2 at 42. Okay.
There is 3 at 41 and quarter.
Okay. Okay, let's see here. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. All right. What the heck is going on? All right, looks like the where am I here? GLDs. So 4 at 44. What's the average? 41 and a quarter?
41 and quarter.
Kaboom! Where do they want to go here? I think they're going to roll over here. You got the Russell making new highs here, believe it or not. IWM's on the push down. This here, IWM low 60. All right. Oh my God, Micron, they're gonna get killed. Micron's making new lows here. Micron's making new lows. What a short. You're gonna get silver. Oh my God, they're gonna get killed. All right. AMD just got kabooshed. If you're short, look to cover the NASDAQ anywhere from the even to 20 if they drop here. Micron, new lows. NVIDIA can't get going. All right, Bitcoin making new. Why did this Bitcoin? Look at this Micron. Look at this Micron. I don't understand it, but I think they're going to roll over here. I'd be short up the yin yang. Okay, I think they're going to get kabooshed. Cover 40 and a half on one, 40 and a quarter on the other, and then you leave one.
Got it.
Let's see if this. All right. Russell making new highs here. Now, did you see the pullback here on the YM on the YMs here? Okay, they pushed down nicely. This is called a double blue buy. They got oversold here. You have to reverse the position and go long if you're short, right? And you can see here, even if I did the YMs, you can see how the YMs, okay, you should be flat. No, 40, what did I say, 40 and a half?
Yeah.
And then, and 40 and 40, right?
40 and a quarter is still open.
Yeah. Now you see here, the YMs, I said the YMs would drop, okay, 69 all the way down to 64 here. Is that right? With the high, yeah. Okay. and then look at the rally, oversold, and you can look at the 3-minute time frame on this. When you see the ADX is rising on the 5-minute time frame, you got to take advantage of the 3-minute time frame. Okay. Am I flat? You flat? No, you flat?
No. You want it? Where did you put it?
So you're short too.
Or two.
Got it. Okay, so just something to look at. Okay, when you're trading the YMs, look at that beautiful bull flag here. And whenever, like I told you, whenever the ADXs are rising, okay, especially on the 5-minute time frame right here, you have to resort, okay, to looking at the 3-minute time frame. Okay, when those ADXs are rising, you wait for the 3-minute time frames to pull in. Oh, this gold is going to get killed. If this gold gets to 50 to 57, that's shorted again. NASDAQ, I would lower your stops if you're short. NASDAQ, oh my God almighty. AMD just got cabooshed $3. Look at this. I'm telling you now, there's a cabooshin coming. There's a cabooshin. Buy one more back at 40.5. Hello?
Where do you have? Where do you have? Quarter.
You're flat. How many more are you short?
None. Flat.
They're going to get killed. Watch. Here's 40. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, NASDAQ. Wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Okay. Big W, Jip Smith, get in there. Wave bye-bye. Say goodbye to Hollywood. Say goodbye, my baby. Look at the gold just dropped 4. Tell me you got short up there.
The gold. I didn't get.
Are you crazy? Get in there. Oh my God, I got so many t-shirts coming out. I can't take it. I got so many, my new website's coming out. I got so many t-shirts. Oh my goodness. I love, when you're trading, you have to have fun, period. End of story. You have to have fun. You got to be loosey-goosey. You got to have fun. You got to, Bitcoin, it's a short, not here, but higher. Okay. This is all based upon the 60-minute time frame on Bitcoin at 10 o'clock. Okay. Case closed. 60-minute, oversold, positive MACD. Bitcoin ran almost 2,500 points. Okay. Look at this gold. Okay. Bye-bye. Who's short? Who's short? I thought we were short 5.
No.
All right. Cancel your offers. What a short. Oh, they're going to get cabooshed. Say goodbye to Hollywood. Oh my God, Coinbase. Say goodbye, my baby. Come on, break 600 and then go right to 580. All right. Come on, break 600. Break 600. Okay, so now, okay, let me where are you?
What?
Jeff.
Yeah.
Okay, so the 15's reverse to buy, yay?
Uh-huh.
Okay, the 15's reverse to buy, right? Right here?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically you're going to be in a positive trend on the S&P, right? The spider's reverse to buy on the 60-minute time frame. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So yes, broke 600. There you go. Get in there. Right now, you want to buy the first pullback on the 5. and the second pullback on the 15. What a cabooshin! Here you go. There you go. Anybody short? Anybody short? That's a big W there. Look at the NASDAQ. Look at the S&P. See, I thought, oh my God, Coinbase down $2. Oh, yeah, baby. I told you if it breaks 600, it's going to 580. There you go. Let's go. This is what we do here, baby. This is what you do. Get in there. Oh, yeah. Come on, hit that 580. Make me proud. Make me proud. Look at that. What a cabooshin. 45 handles. You short S&Ps? Let's go. Who's in this? Who's there? God, I love when they go down. Microsoft finished. Apple finished. All right. Well, just lower your stops then. Here we go. Come on, hit that 580, baby. Let's go. Hit that 580. Give it to me. Let's go. Let's go. Gold is a great short, Jeffrey. How'd you not?
I had a.
You're making new highs, and look at the negative MACDs.
Before you gave the ranges, I'd already had an order in for like 55, and then by the time I
Smoke trades. Good job.
It had already.
D Hall, get in there, D Hall. Lower your stops, D Hall. Oh my God, D Hall, get in there. Kabooshed. Miss K, get in there, Miss K. Davis, Elise, Vanessa. Look at the YMs drop. That might be another one for you that's really slow too. You know that? The YM futures. The Dow futures, they don't move like these animals. You know? They don't move like that. Say goodbye, my baby.
Has it on here?
What's that?
Like it's up in me, yeah.
No, I'm just making a reference, that's all. All right. Microsoft, cabooshed. I was saying there was a short above the 05, D Hall, earlier. I don't know if you heard me. Come on, D Hall, lower your stop. I think they can really drop hard here. I think they could really start dropping hard here. But you see, Stephen, when you're trading it, and you have to be quick. Remember I said sell five contracts at 30, right? It was 30 bid. It was 30 bid. All you gotta do is go click, 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 click 5 times, right, on the offer, right? Or you hit the bid. You actually, it's 30 bid, so you just hit the offer. Boom, 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 like a machine gun, right? And then they drop down to 24, right? So I'm just saying. So, all right, everybody. Microsoft, what a short. Oh my God, this Microsoft. Yes, sir. Come on, hit the 580 already, D Hall. Get in there. Boom, 580. How you like them apples? Huh?
There was some thunder that coincided with the 580 hitting.
Do you hear that thunder?
Yeah, right when the 580.
Damn straight.
The thunder.
That's God saying, let's go. Get in there. Oh my God, they're getting cabooshed. Yeah, baby. Look at the S&Ps. 42 down to 34. NASDAQ down 50. Get in there.
What would you be looking for from entry?
I ain't doing anything right now. I'm gonna go get lunch soon before the rains come and the heavens open up. I think there's a big caboose coming. Now you may get one more push up off the 5. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, it's a caboose. There's 60. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Okay, everybody. I want to thank everybody for being here today.
Take out the 223, which was the.
I want to thank all of you for being here. That's the way to end it on a caboose. Okay. God bless you. I'll see you guys tonight. Please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. And if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. I'll see you guys tonight.